Instagram has just added a new feature, Repost, but it is so easy to confuse it with the share button and misclick. So in this video, I'll show you how to undo or delete Repost. Let's get started. Firstly, I will open Instagram and show you how this button looks and where it is placed. As you can see now, next to the share button, we'll find this two arrows button, which is Repost. So it is really easy to confuse it with the share button. If you're trying to share this video, click on the last button, but not the one next to it, because once you click on it, you will make a repost. You can notice it by seeing your profile icon in the down left corner of the video. So if you notice this and want to delete this repost, just click on this profile icon and tap delete. Or another way is you can just tap on the video. Here on the right side, tap the two arrow icon and also delete the repost. Great. Now another way where you can find your repost is by going to your page. So let's click profile icon in the bottom right. And above your photos, you should see repost button. Let me just repost content so it will appear. Great, now we can see it. Let's click on it, and again, you just need to tap on the video, tap on the icon or on your profile icon, and then delete repost. And if you cannot find this icon in your profile page, then let's open up settings. For that, we need to click three lines in the top right, scroll to your activity, and here find reposts. Now you will see all of your shared content. So if you would like to remove it, just press and hold the video or photo and tap button delete on the bottom of the page. Confirm, and now it is gone. And also, if you don't want for other people to repost your videos or photos, then click on the three lines once again. Scroll a bit down in this list till sharing and reuse. And then find reposts on posts and reels. And just toggle off the switch. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.